Hey guys, so I ordered the monthly crystals.com subscription box and we're going to open it. It just came, so let's see what's inside. First impressions, there's no box, it's a bag, so it's kind of misleading, but we'll see what's inside. Okay, well, I suck at opening this, so. Oh my god, come on, there we go. We'll just rip it apart, no big deal. Alright. Alright, so there's no box. Some just box of wrapped up items here. Alright. So let's see what we got, okay? Everything's a little weird, but we'll check it out. First thing is a bag. Looks like it might have pendulum in it. We have a green, ooh, yeah. It's actually really nice. I like that. It's pretty good quality, I think. It looks really good. Pretty cool. I like that. So far, so good. Alright, looks like we have an oil of some sort here in this one. Alright, we've got a little card. As always, I'll post pictures with everything. Soul Fresh Blend. Yeah, I'll actually post pictures so you guys can see it a little better and read it all. This is Soul Fresh Blend Essential Oil. So we'll see. Let's see what that smells like. Oh, it actually smells kind of good. It's like a better smelling lemongrass. So, like that. Alright, let's see what's over here. So I originally thought that the box was just supposed to be like a box of crystals. So I guess it's kind of like a little box of everything, which is still really cool. There's no box, but it's fine. I'm fine with that. Alright, looks like we've got cards for all of these. Alright, so I will post pictures of all these separately. No, I'm not taking up all your time in the video where you're trying to look at it. Looks like we got 5 crystals here. So, I don't know. I haven't really decided what I thought about this. This box was free. I just had to pay the $9.97 shipping, so I'm not really upset or feel like I'm out anything, really. I think it was definitely worth the $9.97. I'm not sure what the actual monthly price is to continue it. Like I said, the first box was free, so I will look into that and post that in the description of this video, and I'll take individual pictures. But not too bad for the free, free box. I only paid $9.97 shipping and handling. So I'm going to take the camera and turn it a hair bit. So bear with me, guys. Yay, look at us go. All right. That is the crystals I got, the essential oil, the pendulum, and the cards. And like I said, I'll post everything else. And I'll give you guys some more info as far as the monthly price and all of that. All right. I'll give you my full opinion in the comments. Bye.